An AutoHotKey is a key or mouse button that you actually press to perform a command. Ctrl+C or Ctrl+V for copy and paste. I want to assign the YMAHA to the non-conversion key. The hotkey in this case is the non-conversion key. So what is the actual description? This string VK1DSC07B indicates the no conversion key, and by following it with 2 colons, you can say use the non-conversion key as a hotkey. Information about key names such as VK1DSC07B can be found on the AutoHotKey wiki website. Include the URL in the description. If you want to use Ctrl+C as a hotkey, like copy for copy and paste, this is the way to do it. Similarly, Shift key equals plus, Alt key equals exclamation, Win key equals sharp, left Shift key equals this. Similarly, the left Control, Alt, and Win keys are prefixed with their respective symbols. This means the right modifier key.
Combination key.
You can use in to make the combination of 2 keys a shortcut and a hotkey. I use a script like this that executes D and E by pressing the D and F keys at the same time.
キーの無効化。
Typing return after a hotkey disables that key.